This is yet another video telling you about one of the parts of the culminating activity. In this case, it's a media studies activity mostly called reading the comments. And as you can see down here, it's reading 1, media studies 3. I think I said in class that this one is maybe a little more involved than some of the others, and for that reason, maybe not as many people will do this one, but I still think it's a really interesting one. I started off by showing this video, The Psychology of Trolling. I'm not going to show that video within this video, but it's in the slides, and I can even send anybody a link who asks me for it if you can't find it that way.
Since you're watching SciShow.
We also looked at this article from Thought Catalog, and again, I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but it's about the 8 types of commenters you'll find on every internet post. And it kind of separates the different kinds of comments people are going to leave. It concentrates quite a lot on trolls. It really quite a lot on negative things that people might say online, including actual legitimate critics who have actually read the piece. Here's your assignment. Find a news article that has a number of comments on it. Try to find one that has a mix of helpful and unhelpful comments, positive, negative, whatever. And look for commenters that stay on topic or go way off topic. Take some screenshots of the article and the comments, put them in some slides, and make your own comments about the comments. And again, I've given you an example here of how to do this. I gave you this example of a news story from BlogTO, which is not a great news source, but nonetheless, it had a lot of good comments on it, so it was worth looking at, about a restaurant that's letting in unvaccinated customers. The article tells us about the restaurant, tells us about what they've been doing, about how some people were reacting to it, and about the kinds of fines that they could face, and about how they've kind of made the whole thing even more extreme as they go on. Then I showed you some comments. The top one here is kind of on topic. It's not well written, but then look at what happens afterwards. People get totally off topic. Or have a look at this, where somebody begins on topic and logical, and then again it gets completely off topic and people start posting about other things. I showed you some examples and I made commentary on them. That's basically what you're going to do for this assignment, right? You're going to find an article with some comments, and then you're going to make comments on the comments, showing who's off track, who's not thinking clearly, who's writing about the wrong thing entirely. And then when you finish those slides, I'm going to write, again, a short paragraph of reflection where you talk about whether or not we should or should not read the comments on online news articles, right? You could start with that real simple topic sentence, like, it's a good idea to read the comments on online news articles, or it's a bad idea to read the comments on online news articles, or even somewhere in between. It's sometimes a good idea to read comments on online news articles. That's all for now. And just remember that you want to count up the points you're getting, because you want 6 writing points, 9 writing points, 9 reading points, 6 media studies points, and 6 oral communication points. Okay, bye for now.